Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2. I'm going to make it look more like this. Pretty easy. But what we need to do is back up till we just have one of these. Now we need to ungroup it. And then just remember not to move it. Then we're going to grab this gray. And if you look right here, you pick gray. We're going to get the interactive fill tool. And there's several thinking on the way to do this. I'm going to go from there to there, but I'm going to put black on both ends. Now it's going to turn it all black for a second, but then I'm going to take a really light gray and put it right in the middle. And what that did, and then maybe move this one out a little bit. And you could play with this till the cows come home. Now we want the second one to be identical to that, so we're going to go to the attribute eyedropper, take a sample there and put it there. So it made it identical. Same thing here. We're going to click on this one, interactive fill tool. We're going to put black on both ends. And you could do this with colors and then put black on the other end, and that kind of makes it look tapered. And then we're going to put that gray right in the middle. That looks pretty good. Now, same thing. And also you can go to edit, or no, well, maybe I shouldn't have brought this up because I can't find it. Okay, you need to check on something. Go to edit and copy properties from, and we want fill, say okay, and then put it right there. Well, I did this the opposite. So let me back up here. We need to click on that one. So the way I did it first is probably the easiest. There you go. I actually prefer using the attribute eyedropper tool. Now you need to group this together, Control G, and then double click on your rotation and put it right in the middle. You're there. Go back to Windows, Dockers, Transform or Transformation, depending on what version you have. 90 degrees 4 times, and look at that. It actually looks really cool. And you could do it with colors, different shades of blue. Anyway, I really like, I did this one kind of wrong. I put 7 lines, so I have more grays than I have black. So it looked pretty cool, or the same amount of grays and black. Matter of fact, I think it actually does look cooler. It looks thicker. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.